Imagine the atmosphere at a bustling rally, the crowd electrified and the air thick with anticipation. As Donald Trump steps onto the stage, the cheers of his supporters fill the air, a cacophony of voices united in fervor. Suddenly, the atmosphere shifts. A figure moves through the crowd with unsettling purpose, their intentions hidden beneath a calm facade. In an instant, the rally is plunged into chaos. A gunshot rings out, piercing the din and sending shockwaves through the crowd. Panic ensues. People scream and scramble for safety. The assailant is swiftly apprehended, their motives shrouded in mystery. Trump's security team acts with precision, shielding him from harm and rushing him to safety. The crowd's fear and confusion give way to a collective sigh of relief as news breaks that Donald Trump has survived the shocking assassination attempt. In the aftermath, the incident dominates headlines worldwide. Analysts and commentators dissect every detail, speculating on the would-be assassin's intentions and the potential impact on the political landscape. The tension in the air is palpable as the nation grapples with the implications of such a brazen act of violence. This moment, fraught with danger and uncertainty, echoes the turbulent history of political assassination attempts. From Abraham Lincoln to John F. Kennedy, the specter of political violence has loomed large over American history. Each attempt, successful or not, has left an indelible mark on the nation's psyche. Trump's survival stands as a testament to the effectiveness of modern security measures and the dedication of those tasked with protecting public figures. Yet, it also serves as a stark reminder of the persistent threat of violence in the political arena. In the days that follow, Trump's supporters rally around him with renewed vigor, their loyalty intensified by the brush with mortality. His detractors, meanwhile, condemn the act of violence while continuing to voice their opposition. The political divide deepens, the chasm between opposing sides widening as the nation grapples with its collective trauma. As we reflect on this harrowing event, we are reminded of the resilience of the human spirit and the importance of unity in the face of adversity. The attempt on Trump's life, though shocking and unsettling, underscores the enduring strength of democratic institutions and the unwavering commitment to preserving the safety and security of all citizens. In the end, this moment will be remembered not just for its immediate impact, but for what it reveals about the state of our nation and the enduring struggle to navigate a path forward in a world fraught with challenges. The resilience shown in the face of such a dire threat serves as a powerful reminder that despite our differences, the spirit of democracy and the pursuit of justice remain steadfast.